So here is a DELL AC adapter, and I'm going to show you how noisy it is by recording the sound it made with Audacity. So I start recording the sounds and approach the adapter close to the microphone. The microphone is at the top of the screen. Okay, let's listen to that. So you hear this sound here. It's at around 3 kHz. Another test. Now I will unplug the AC adapter. Now I will unplug the AC adapter. So to compare, here is the sound with the adapter. And here is the sound without the adapter. And on the spectrogram, you can see a real difference between the spectrum.